Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowblower for large driveways that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SnowJoe 24V SS13XR 24V IONMAX 13-inch 5A cordless snow shovel. If you're looking for a lighter option, perhaps you've seen those cordless snowblowers that are gaining popularity as of late. Why not consider this electric shovel from SnowJoe? These economical shovels are great at collecting heavy snow without having to worry about running out of gas or worrying about an extension cord as you would with electric snowblowers. This 10-inch 13-amp shovel weighs less than 20 pounds and is a smart choice to use on decks, stairs, and patios. Able to throw snow up to 20 feet, the two-bladed auger has a 13-inch clearing width and cuts 6 inches deep. With many happy customers, one of only 72 years young, this easy-to-use snowblower is an ideal alternative for those hard-to-plow places. Moving on at number 4, we have the Briggs Stratton 1,696,614 24 inches 2-stage Snowthrower. With a 24-inch clearing width and a 20-inch intake height, the Briggs Stratton 950 Snow Series blower clears outdoor surfaces quickly and efficiently. With a button-touch electric start and synthetic oil charging the 4-cycle engine, you can have immediate start times in temperatures of as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. With 8 speed settings and a 12-inch steel auger, this engine gives 9.5 foot-pounds of gross torque. With dual start options, you can plug your snowblower into an AC outlet for immediate electric start, or use the traditional pole start engine method. One happy customer in Michigan wrote, "It worked very well, even in deep, wet snow. We did a lot of research on different options, and I still believe this is the best value with all of its features." At number 3, we have the EcoPower Plus SNT 2100 21-inch 56V cordless snowblower. Capable of throwing snow up to 35 feet, the SNT 2100 by EcoPower Plus has LED headlights allowing you to get the job done even when the sun goes down, or before it has even come up for the early birds among you. This easy-to-store and compact snowblower is made of durable steel construction and has a quick fold handle to fit into a small garage or shed space. Featuring a 21-inch clearing width, a push-button start, and a variable speed control, this machine came highly recommended by hundreds of happy buyers. Many customers suggest that while this snowblower can run on a single battery, they recommend using two 5.0 or 7.5 AH batteries for optimum performance and long-lasting battery life. At number 2, we have the Greenworks 80V, 75+ compatible tools, 20 inches brushless cordless snowblower. The powerful 80V lithium-ion battery gives the Greenworks Pro 2,600,402 a strong performance and 45 minutes of battery power. With a crank-adjusted discharge chute that rotates up to 180 degrees, and a 20-inch clearing width and 10-inch high clearing depth, this snowblower requires no extension cords, no oil, no gas, or maintenance to keep your driveway, patio, or sideway clear all winter long. One happy Greenworks customer wrote that this electric snowblower is impressive, quiet, and easy to maneuver. What I like about electric snowblowers is, in the off-season, I don't have to drain the gas, use fuel stabilizer or worry about changing oil. And finally at number 1, we have the Aran Deluxe 28-inch 2-stage electric start gas snowthrower. With a 28-inch clearing width, Aran Deluxe 2-stage gas snowblower with power steering makes cleaning up moderate snowfalls easy. With 8 different speeds, including 2 reverse options, evenly densely packed snow will have to give up the fight to this 4-cycle engine. With a discharge chute that can rotate up to 200 degrees, you can keep your walkways and driveways clear all winter long. Use the LED headlight after the sun goes down to finish your cleanup before nightfall, and everything turns to ice. One happy customer explained that after 7 years, They finally had to send their plow in for maintenance for the first time, and the company impressively had it back to them by the next business day. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.